You're a tablet user. You enjoy browsing, reading, and watching shows in your favorite chair, on the couch, and in bed. But after a while, holding your tablet gets tiring, and balancing it on your lap can make browsing and typing challenging. While a mountain of accessories exist to prop up your tablet, most can be divided into just 3 types: tabletop stands, lap resting devices, and single arm mounts. Tabletop stands are made for flat surfaces and are okay when you're using your tablet on a table or desktop, but simply aren't made for uneven or unstable surfaces. Lap resting devices don't require a flat surface, but do require resting somewhere on your lap, which can feel constricting. And unfortunately, when you move, the tablet moves. Furthermore, these kinds of devices don't work lying down. Single-arm mounts don't require resting on your body, but do require an adjacent surface to either stand on or be mounted to, which makes them too large to be portable. And because the tablet attaches to one single arm, there is unwanted movement when browsing or typing. To date, a quality solution hasn't been available for the way we most often use our tablets. That is, until now. Introducing Tablift. Tablift allows you to use virtually any tablet on uneven or cushioned surfaces without having to hold it or balance it on your body. The Tablift also keeps your tablet in rock-stable position, so it won't sway or move around when typing or browsing. And watching shows and movies becomes a better experience when not having to hold up the tablet for long periods of time. The Tablift fits virtually all brands and models of tablet devices. It has 3 viewing positions, one for sitting up, one for reclining, and one for lying completely flat. The Tablift's unique patent-pending design uses 4 adjustable legs that keep your tablet in level viewing position on any uneven surface. The Tablift also folds into a compact size for easy storage and portability. Tablift is the first quality, touch-free solution for using your tablet where you find yourself using your tablet most often.